In this lecture, I will explain you about the impact of power factor correction capacitor on electrical distribution system. The learning objectives of this lecture are calculation of optimum power factor for maximum benefit, impact of power factor correction capacitors. I will cover both objectives one by one. Before discussing about the impacts of power factor correction capacitor on electrical distribution system, let me discuss about how to calculate optimum power factor for achieving maximum benefit. The optimum value of power factor, which is economically viable under the given tariff rates, considering financial saving on account of reduction in maximum demand in kVA. The formula for driving the optimum power factor is square root of 1 minus B square upon A square, where A refers to annual demand charges in rupees per kVA of demand, B refers to annual cost in rupees per kVAr of capacitor installations. Theoretically, capacitors can provide 100% of needed reactive power, but in practical uses, power factor correction to approximate 0.95 is optimum and economical. The figure shows apparent power demands on a system before and after adding the capacitor. By installing power factor correction capacitors for increasing power factor from 0.70 to 0.95, apparent power reduces from 142 kVA to 105 kVA, that is a reduction of 35%. Impact of power factor correction capacitors. Improvement in power factor leads to the following benefits: reduced electricity bills as well as attract incentive for maintaining power factor above 0.95. Increased system capacity, improved voltage, reduced energy losses. Reduced electricity bill. The electric supply company, that is distribution company or state electricity boards, provide working power kilowatt as well as reactive power kVAr in the form of apparent power kVA as per station load, that is according to connected load or contracted maximum demand. Thus, distribution companies or state electricity boards measures and bills every ampere of current supplied by them, including reactive current. If the requirement of excessive reactive current is met out by the capacitor, we can reduce our electricity charges bills considerably. Let me see the example. Let the maximum demand of a station is 500 kVA. Existing power factor is 0.87, which is normally good. The rate per kVA is rupees 10. The power factor is improved from 0.87 to 0.95. The electric bill amount at 0.87 power factor is rupees 10 per kVA demand and 500 into 10 equal to rupees 5000 per month. Electric bill amount at 0.95 power factor, actual demand in kilowatt equal to 500 into 0.87, that is equal to 435 kilowatt. kVA requirement at 0.95 power factor comes to 435 divided by 0.95 equal to 457.89 kVA, say 458 kVA. The corrected billing demand reduced from 500 kVA to 458 kVA after improving the power factor. Now, the bill at 0.95 power factor is 458 into 10, that is equal to 4580 per month. Saving in electric bill is rupees 5000 minus rupees 4580 equal to rupees 420 per month. To raise the power factor from 0.87 to 0.95, the multiplying factor is 0.238. Refer multiplying factor table for calculating the size of capacitor for power factor improvement. If you multiply that multiplying factor with the kVA demand, we comes to 0.238 into 458 kVA equal to 109 kVAr or say 110 kVAr. 110 kVAr capacitor bank along with the main distribution panel, the power factor of the system increases from 0.87 to 0.95 and electric bill reduces to rupees 420 per month. Considered the payback period is calculated as below. The cost of installation of 110 kVAr capacitor bank is roughly 9500. The payback period equal to 9500 divided by rupees 420 equal to 22.61 month, say 2 years. Thus, the capacitor bank pay for its cost within 2 years. Impact of power factor correction capacitors on distribution system capacity. Power factor correction capacitor increases the load carrying capacity of existing distribution system because raising the power factor reduces kVA demand for a given kW load, or we can say that by adding capacitors we can add additional kilowatt load to the existing distribution system without increasing contacted maximum demand. A transformer of 500 kVA is operating at 0.75 power factor having load capacity of 480 kVA as shown in figure. The actual working power from this transformer is only 360 kilowatt, that is 480 kVA into 0.75. It is desired to increase the load up to 450 kilowatt on the same transformer due to construction of new OTM accommodations or some other expansion. This can be increased by improving the power factor from 0.75 to 0.95 instead of replacing the transformer. To increase the power factor from 0.75 to 0.95, a power factor correction capacitor bank of 250 kVAr is required to be installed on the main distribution panels of the transformer. 0.553 is the multiplying factor. 450 kilowatt into 0.553 equal to 248.80 kVAr, say 250 kVAr. The factor 0.553 is obtained from the multiplying factor table. Thus, by installation of capacitor bank, the capacity of existing distribution system gets increased from 360 kilowatt to 450 kilowatt, that is approx 25%. Impact of power factor correction capacitors on improving voltage condition of distribution system. Low voltage resulting from excessive reactive current causes motor and other electrical gadgets to be sluggish and overheated. As power factor decreases, total line current increases, causing further voltage drop. By adding capacitor to distribution system, improves the system voltage, resulting efficient performance and longer life of all connected electrical gadgets. Impact of power factor correction capacitor on losses of distribution system. Losses caused by poor power factor are due to reactive current flowing in the system. These are watt related charges and can be eliminated through power factor correction. Power factor losses in a distribution system is calculated by squaring the current and multiplying it by the circuit resistance or the circuit impedance. The formula for calculation of percentage reduction losses equal to 100 minus 100 into original power factor divided by new power factor whole square. Thanks.